We have nagput up po ng ganitong klase po ng adult daycare center today.
Well, one, I would like to thank the company first doing such noble, yes, you may call it business, but it's the empathy and love for our people and being compassionate to our elders. May ganitong facility because this is in line with City of Manila's policy in giving added value, importance to our seniors. And this is another step. The good thing about this is that it is coming from the private sector. So we would call others to do the same. Manila is about 205,000 senior citizens in the city of Manila.
Sir, mahal na mahal yung ang mga seniors, ano? Napakalapit sa puso
Yes. O dala ng, you'll never know gaano kahirap ang pagtataguyod nila sa kanilang sarili at sa kanilang pamilya all their life. So, the very least that we can give to our elders to make them feel that may gobyerno na ipinagmamalasakit yung ating mga nakatatanda. In the remaining years sa mundo natin, maramdaman man lamang nila na mahalaga sila sa pamahalaan. And in fact, yung work for seniors, nangyayari yan dito sa Manila. Dito yan nag-umpisa sa Manila.
Yeah.
Na nabibigyan ng pagkakataon ulit yung malalakas nating senior citizen to be productive. And may bago ngayon na we're very proud and grateful to Starbucks. On top of the list existing like McDonald's, Jollibee, Shakey's, and all other franchise businesses doing business in Manila, aligning their workforce with the policy of the city to give opportunity for our able senior citizen. So that's why we're very happy and we're going to support private initiative like this na doon naman sa ating physically and at some level of mental challenge na mga senior citizen natin. Nakakatuwa naman na ito'y nangyayari na. I think this will be the first in the country. And sana maraming ipanganak itong inumpisahan.
Your my last question.
Sure.
Meron po bang kayong additional programs or special plans for senior this year, 2026?
Yes, we will continue to encourage the businesses to hire our seniors. That's yun ang aking priority ngayon bukod sa mga nutritional products na kailangan nilang binibigay ng city plus yung the financial assistance being given to our seniors. Ito talaga yung jobs, bring back dignity and productivity to our seniors.
Sir,
yung mga lola ko, I love you lagi sa akin yan.
Okay,
Ganun lagi sa akin yan. Sure.
Yes, Ma'am May, paano niyo po naisip yung konseptong ganito at bakit sa Maynila?
Okay.
Well, I know kasi po, the experience from what I experienced from my own, naalagaan ko yung husband ko for 4 years, nanganak tong idea to. Why in Manila? I believe everything is a timing at pagbigay ng Diyos, mangyayari. So, hindi ako ang pumili. I think ang pumili yung taas para mapunta ako sa Manila at hindi sa ibang lugar. So, tama ba yun?
At the same time, Manila is a very good market.
Right.
I've been telling that to the businesses. We have about 2 million population nighttime and 3 million daytime. We're old, but a lot of story and a lot of history and so much character as a city, as the capital of the country. The very least that we can do is to make it to the business sector na yung ease of doing business in the city. Pangalawa, sa taong bayan, lalong-lalo na yung maging maaliwala sa panatagang pamumuhay sa lungsod ng Maynila. And these are the policy of the city. So, malaking opportunity talaga sa Maynila. O kita mo ngayon, may bagong industry. This can be an industry.
Yeah.
Mind you, I don't want to be ahead of myself, but this is something unique
Tayo muna.
in the Philippines. And something to be duplicated all over the country with regard to private sector's new venture, an industry born in the city of Manila.
So ilang elderly po ang ma-accommodate natin in one day lang?
Per portal, we can accommodate 6. We cannot go beyond that kasi remember na agitate sila pag
Yeah,
masyadong
yeah.
maraming tao. So we have to also be careful pag masyadong marami na. Yeah.
So 6 po.
Yeah, 4 portals.
So,
Times
24.
6. Yes,
24 po. Sa isang araw.
Magpa-reserve na po kayo.
Initial lang.
Okay, sir.
Sige.
Salamat.
Initial.